Okay, so the home care exercise I'm about to show you is called the cervical traction unit pull, also known as the CTU pull. This exercise is super effective for restoring the cervical lordosis in your neck, which is a fancy word to say the curve in your neck. To do this exercise, you're gonna need your cervical traction unit. So on your prescription sheet, it's gonna tell you to put these cushions in one of three positions. If it's asking you to do it in a wide position, that means you're going to take these puff things and you're going to bring them towards the edge of the neck rest. If it asks to put in a thin position, then you're going to take these fluff things and you're going to put it in the very most center of the neck rest. Now, the last position it might ask you to put it in is a comfort position. And where that is you're gonna keep these puffs in the center, but you're going to create a little bit of space in between the two, like so. I'm gonna leave this in the comfort position because that is the prescribed version for myself. The next part of this setup that we're gonna do is we're gonna get this rope to be a little bit more manageable. Unless you have super long arms like I do, you're definitely gonna wanna shorten it just a little bit. So what I suggest is taking about this much rope, I'm gonna say it's like half a foot, and tie a little knot in it. A good tip, because you probably don't have multiple tractions at home, I would suggest not making the knot too tight. Not making the knot too tight. Because if you're also using this over your door to do your standing cervical traction exercise, then you want to make the transition a lot easier. So we're gonna take the neck rest and put this behind our neck, and when you're given this exercise, you're going to have one of two versions of this. The first version I'm going to show you is 30 degrees down. In order to do this, you're going to basically bring the neck rest up a little bit. And why it's called 30 degrees down is because you want to have this rope on a 30-degree angle. But unless you are a walking protractor, it's kind of hard to do that. So a good reference point would be as if you were looking down your nose. That's where you would want this chin rest to be, at that level. And then to do the exercise, very simple. You're going to push slightly with your hands. You're going to tuck your chin down, and then you're going to bring your neck back, creating this double chin. And you're gonna hold that for the prescribed amount of time. The usual is 10 seconds, 10 reps, 2 times a day. Now I'm gonna repeat that one more time. So bring it up to the correct level, 30 degrees down. So I'm gonna look down the bridge of my nose. I'm going to push slightly with my hands, tuck my chin down, and bring my neck back, holding it for 10 seconds. The second potential version that you'll have is to do it at a straight position. So the actions that you're doing are the exact same. The only difference is where you're going to be placing the chin rest. So if you're doing at a straight position, basically you're gonna have that at eye level where you're looking straight, where you can see it straight on, okay? And same actions, like I said, push forward with your hands, tuck your chin down, and bring it back, creating that double chin. Once again, holding for the prescribed amount of time.